Hey everyone, welcome to this Photoshop 101 tutorial. So in this one, we're going to go over a couple basic things like creating new documents and a quick introduction to layers and how they work. So, step one, we're going to head up to File and then click New or press Command or Control N on your keyboard. Now for our tester document, we're just going to pull up a standard size that everybody's familiar with. So we're going to click Presets here, and then head into US Paper, and then we're just going to pick Letter, and then we'll leave everything else as it is. Click OK, and you can see we've got a white area here. That's our document. Now we can do basically anything with it. To demonstrate how layers work, and then I guess how groups work as well, we're going to head over into our Shapes tool on the side, and I'm going to draw a square. I don't have that selected right now, so I'm going to right click and click Rectangle. You may already have your rectangle pulled up there. Now I'm going to head up to the top, and in my fill I'm just going to pick a new color, or if I wanted to I can click this button, bring up my color picker, and choose any color I like. Let's go for purple. Click OK. Now we're ready to draw our shape. So we'll just make a rectangle there. You can get rid of this properties thing for now. Good. So what that's done is that has made the shape in a new layer. So the way layers work is basically whatever's on the top here is kind of visible at the top of the document if you were viewing it like a bird. So let's make another shape and we'll kind of demonstrate how this works. We'll just make it a different color. Oops. There we go. And we'll make that one red. Awesome. So now we've got two shapes in two layers. Now right now they're not over top of each other or anything like that, so they're both visible. But this red one, because it's higher in the layer hierarchy, if we were to go over to our Move tool and drag it on top of the blue, it's going to cover it up. If we drag the blue one above, it's going to cover the red one up. So that's how layers work. Whatever's at the top is going to be immediately visible and cover up anything below it if they happen to overlap. One thing that's handy with layers is this eye over here. When you click that, you can show or hide your layer. This is a quick, easy way to figure out how things are going to look without having to delete layers or anything. For our last point in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use groups. So click your top layer, hold down your Shift key, click the bottom layer. With the Shift key held down, we're going to click this folder at the bottom. That's going to create a new group. Awesome. So if we expand the group by clicking the triangle, the two layers are inside it. Now, what we can do here is drag the individual layers around, or if we select Auto Select Group, when we click it, it's going to drag the whole group around. This is useful when you need something that you want to repeat a couple times, but is made up of multiple elements. So you can keep your layers intact, but easily duplicate multiple things at one time. To duplicate in Photoshop, hold down your Alt or Option key. You're going to notice you've got a kind of a double pointer. Click it and just drag down or anywhere. And now we've made a copy of the group. And the layers are still under there, and they're editable individually. And groups function like layers in that you can drag them beneath each other, You can also drag them on top of each other to add a group within a group and do all kinds of things like that. So that's about it for this tutorial, guys. Thanks for watching Photoshop 101 Introduction to Layers. If you like this video, please comment and rate. And for more Photoshop tutorials, please subscribe. Check out my tutorial on layer styles to learn how you can make your layers have all kinds of cool effects. Thanks for watching.